I'm HVAC repair guy with over 17 years in the HVAC trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we will take an honest look at two high-efficiency inverter heat pumps to help you decide which one belongs at your home. The models are the Armstrong AirPro Series A7HP19V and the GE NS21H Series. When you step up to equipment, outside cabinet protection matters because outdoor coils take a beating from weather and debris. Both units feature louvered coil guards and compressor sound blankets straight from the factory. Those louvered panels shield aluminum fins from hail, rocks, and physical impacts. The compressor blanket dampens mechanical vibration right at the source. Heating performance is measured by HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. The higher the HSPF number, the more heat the unit extracts from outside air per watt of electricity. The Armstrong AirPro Series has an HSPF rating of 9.5. The GE NS21H Series has an HSPF rating of 10.5. In cold weather, the higher HSPF on the GE means it can deliver more heat more efficiently and reduce auxiliary electric heat use. Both systems are full-fledged heat pumps, handling summer cooling as effectively as winter heating. Under the hood, both systems feature variable speed inverter technology for compressor and condenser fan motor control. Variable speed compressors ramp up and down in tiny increments instead of slamming on and off. That continuous modulation delivers precise indoor comfort, lowers electrical draw, and reduces starting strain on windings. When relaxing on your patio, you do not want a noisy compressor in your ear. Armstrong published sound ratings as low as 61 decibels, roughly equivalent to a normal conversation. The GE published sound rating is as low as 62 decibels, roughly matching a dishwasher or conversational voice. Armstrong Air is built in the United States by Allied Air Enterprises, a Lennox international company. The GE NS21H Series is manufactured in China under GE Appliances owned by Haier. Real-world installed pricing shows a noticeable gap between these units. A complete installation for the Armstrong Air typically ranges from $10,500 to $15,000, depending on tonnage and ductwork. The GE NS21H Series generally lands in the $8,100 to $9,500 range fully installed. Both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year warranty on parts and a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Neither model includes a full unit replacement warranty, so they are even on factory protection. If I am standing next to these two units, my recommendation goes to the GE NS21H Series. The GE offers a higher HSPF of 10.5 compared to 9.5 on Armstrong while costing thousands less installed. That gives better winter heating performance and faster energy payback without overpaying up front.